In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to change invoice number. If you need to update an invoice number in QuickBooks Online, the process is simple, but there is one important setting you need to turn on first. Once that setting is enabled, you'll be able to edit the invoice number manually whenever needed. This is especially helpful if you want your invoice numbering to match a specific sequence, or if you need to correct an existing invoice. Start by enabling custom transaction numbers. Go to the gear icon at the top right of QuickBooks Online and click it. From the menu, select Account and Settings. This will open the main settings area for your company file. Next, choose the Sales tab on the left side. In the Sales settings, look for the section called Sales Form Content. Click that section to expand it so you can see more options. Here you'll find the setting for custom transaction numbers. Turn that switch on. This allows QuickBooks Online to stop assigning only automatic numbers and gives you the ability to enter your own invoice numbers when needed. After turning that on, click Save to apply the change and then click Done to exit the settings. That completes the setup portion, and now you're ready to update the invoice itself. To change the invoice number, go to Sales or Invoices from the left-hand menu. Either option will take you to the list of your invoices. Find the invoice you want to update and open it. Once the invoice is on screen, click Edit if necessary, or simply click directly into the invoice number box. Now type the new invoice number into that field. Make sure the number follows whatever numbering format you want to use, and take a quick moment to confirm it's accurate before saving. This can help you avoid duplicates or numbering gaps, especially if you're managing a large number of invoices. When you're done, click Save or Save and Close, depending on whether you want to remain on the invoice or return to the list. That's all it takes to change an invoice number in QuickBooks Online. First, enable custom transaction numbers in your account settings. Then open the invoice, edit the number, and save your changes. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick and easy to repeat whenever necessary.